Good morning, students. I had given you homework to do. What's the solution? Rahul and Saguna drink water. After playing, they wash their hands and feet. They bathe every morning and wash their plates after eating. However, they use too much water while doing these things. Their mother scolds them. They wonder how they should use water carefully. What good ideas can you give them for using water carefully? I have few points for you for this question. Point number 1. Use a bowl instead of running tap for washing hands and feet. Thus, you can save about 5 liters of water each time. Point 2. Do not use a shower for bath. Take water in a bucket to have bath. Point 3. To wash plates, use water in a tub or take water in a tub. Do not keep the tap open. Point 4. By doing so, mother will not scold you, but she will appreciate you and give an example to her friends. You may add few more points. Okay, students? Now, always remember, if you collect rainwater, Mizoram and Cherrapunji are two places in India which receive the highest rainfall in the world. In summer, however, there is a shortage of water in those places. The same thing occurs in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. This is because adequate efforts are not made to store rainwater. My dear students, because we do not take efforts to store rainwater, even after we getting heavy rainfalls, then in summer we all must suffer. Also, children, we must use water carefully, only as much necessary. By storing rainwater will help solve our problem. If we use water carefully, then in summer we will not have problem. This is not only you and I have to do. It is each and every individual has to follow this. Save water. This is given in your test book on page 56. My dear students, homework for you. Write question and answers of this lesson. Question 1. Where does the water in your house come from? Answer. The water in a house comes from distant wells, lakes and water tanks through pipelines. Question 2. From where do rivers, wells, springs and lakes get water? Answer. Rivers, wells, springs and lakes get water from the rain. Question 3. What will happen if we do not collect rainwater? Answer. If we do not collect rainwater, there will be shortage of water later. These questions are given on page 57 of your textbook. I will give you the answers in your homework app. Thank you, my dear students.